Yo, what's up everybody? It's Rav here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the future with 7 gadgets that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie. We're talking about transforming your home one device at a time. From levitating decor to tech that takes your beer to the next level, we've got it all covered. So buckle up, smash that like button and let's unbox some tech. Alright guys, let's kick things off with a game changer for all the beer aficionados out there. Whether you're a casual drinker or a true connoisseur, this is something you absolutely need to know about. Introducing the Fizzics DraftPour Home Beer Tap. This isn't just any beer tap, it's a revolutionary device that's set to elevate your beer drinking experience to a whole new level. Let me tell you, this thing is wild. Imagine having the ability to turn any canned or bottled beer into a fresh, pub-quality draft beer right in your own home. So you know how sometimes canned or bottled beer just doesn't hit the same as a fresh draft? It's often missing that perfect balance of flavor, aroma, and mouthfeel that you get from a tap at your favorite bar. Well, this right here is about to change that. The Fizzics DraftPour uses cutting-edge technology to give you that perfect pour every single time. We're talking about patented microfoam technology that actually transforms your average brew into a pub-quality experience. This technology enhances the carbonation and creates a dense, creamy foam that locks in the flavor and aroma. It's like having your own personal bartender, enhancing the flavor, aroma, and that oh-so-satisfying mouthfeel. Imagine the joy of savoring a perfectly poured beer with all its complexities and nuances right at home. And the best part, it's not just for home use. You can take this amazing device anywhere you go. This bad boy is portable and can be powered by USB or AA batteries, making it the ultimate party trick for picnics, barbecues, tailgates, you name it. Imagine impressing your friends with pub-quality beer at your next outdoor gathering. Trust me, if you're serious about your beer, you need the Fizzics DraftPour in your life. It's a game changer that will make every beer you drink taste like it was poured straight from the tap at your favorite pub. Cheers to that. Next up, we've got a gadget that's going to make all you coffee and tea lovers very happy. Say goodbye to lukewarm disappointment with the USB cup warmer. This little device is about to become your new best friend. Imagine this, your drink perfectly cozy at a steady 53 degrees Celsius, no matter how long it takes you to finish it. That's the magic of this warmer. And it's not just about keeping things hot, it's also super smart. We're talking about a built-in gravity switch that only activates the heating element when the cup is in place. So no wasted energy, no accidental burns, just pure drinkable bliss. Whether you're at home, in the office, or even just need a cozy night in, this USB cup warmer is a must-have. Okay, let's talk about staying connected on the go. The wireless car phone charger and holder is about to change the way you drive. No more fumbling with tangled cables or worrying about your phone dying mid-navigation. This sleek gadget clips effortlessly into your car's air vent, putting your phone front and center. And the best part? It uses key-enabled wireless charging, so all you have to do is drop your phone in and it starts juicing up. Plus, it's got this really cool gravity-operated grip that adjusts to fit most smartphones securely. So whether you're navigating traffic, taking calls, or streaming your favorite playlist, this charger and holder has got you covered. Calling all road trip enthusiasts and caffeine addicts, the heated travel mug is about to become your new adventure buddy. This is not your average travel mug. We're talking about a durable stainless steel design with a leak-proof lid that can handle even the bumpiest of journeys. But here's the kicker. It has built-in heating elements that let you choose your perfect sipping temperature. No more lukewarm coffee disappointments on the open road. And to make things even better, it comes with its own car charger and fits most standard cup holders. So buckle up, hit the gas, and enjoy a perfectly hot drink mile after mile. This levitating globe will blow your mind. Now let's add a touch of magic to your home with something truly mesmerizing. The floating globe. This isn't just any globe, this thing actually floats in midair. Yeah, you heard that right. It uses some seriously cool magnet technology to defy gravity and create a captivating visual experience. And it's not just about the floating. This globe also slowly rotates, showcasing the Earth's continents and oceans in all their glory. Plus, it lights up. We're talking about built-in multicolored LED lights that create a stunning ambient glow. Whether you're a geography buff, a design enthusiast, or just looking for a unique conversation starter, this floating globe is in a league of its own. Alright guys, get ready for some serious fun with the Motion Control UFO. This little gadget is not just a toy, it's a gateway to hours of entertainment and amazement. Imagine having the power to control a flying object with just the motion of your hands. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. This isn't your average drone. This thing is all about intuitive control and effortless stunts. With its sleek design and advanced technology, it stands out from the crowd. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get the hang of it. The learning curve is practically non-existent. We're talking about 6-axis gyro stabilization for super smooth flights. This means you get a stable and controlled flight experience every single time. No more worrying about shaky movements or sudden drops. It's like having a professional pilot's skills right at your fingertips, and hand gesture recognition that lets you control it with just a wave of your hand. Imagine the look on your friends' faces when they see you effortlessly guiding this UFO through the air. It's not just fun, it's a conversation starter and a showstopper at any gathering. It's incredibly responsive and a blast to pilot, whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner. The controls are so intuitive that even kids can master it in no time. It's perfect for family gatherings, parties, or just a fun day at the park. And to make things even cooler, it's got these bright, flashing LED lights that make it look like a real UFO zipping through the air. These lights aren't just for show, they add an extra layer of excitement, especially during night flights. It's like having your own personal light show in the sky. Plus, it can pull off 360-degree flips and tricks with ease. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, this drone can handle it all. The flips are not just a gimmick, they add a whole new dimension to your flying experience. It's like having a mini acrobat in the palm of your hand. Trust me, this motion control UFO is guaranteed to bring out the kid in everyone. It's more than just a gadget, it's a source of joy and wonder. So gather your friends and family and get ready to unleash your inner child with this incredible UFO drone. The fun is just a flight away. Everlasting, customizable art. Last but not least, let's transform your space with a piece of art that's constantly evolving. The remote control illuminated sand art. Imagine having a dynamic piece of decor that never looks the same twice. This innovative art piece is designed to bring a sense of wonder and tranquility to your home. This is way more than just a picture frame. It's a living, breathing piece of art that changes with every glance. Unlike traditional art that remains static, this sand art evolves, creating new patterns and landscapes every time you interact with it. Inside, you'll find fine sand and air bubbles that create mesmerizing landscapes with every turn. The combination of these elements results in a captivating display that can mimic anything from serene desert dunes to rolling ocean waves. Each formation is unique, ensuring that you never tire of its beauty. And with the included remote control, you can customize the lighting to set the perfect mood. Whether you're looking to create a calming atmosphere for relaxation or a vibrant setting for entertaining guests, the lighting options are endless. Whether you prefer calming blues, vibrant reds, or any other color in the spectrum, you can easily adjust the lighting to match your mood or decor. The versatility of this feature makes it a perfect addition to any room in your home. Or a spectrum of colors, this sand art piece adds a touch of magic and tranquility to any room. Imagine the soothing effect of watching the sand slowly shift and settle into new formations, all while bathed in your favorite color of light. The sand art piece adds a touch of magic and tranquility to any room. It's not just a piece of decor, it's an experience. The gentle movement of the sand combined with the customizable lighting creates a serene environment that can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Plus, it's super easy to use. You don't need to be tech-savvy to enjoy this beautiful piece of art. The user-friendly design ensures that anyone can set it up and start enjoying its benefits right away. Just plug it in or pop in some batteries and you're good to go. The simplicity of its setup means you can start transforming your space in no time. No complicated instructions or tools are required. Whether you're looking for a unique gift or a statement piece for your own home, this remote control illuminated sand art is sure to impress. It's a perfect gift for art lovers, tech enthusiasts, or anyone who appreciates beautiful and functional home decor. This remote control illuminated sand art is sure to impress. Its unique combination of art and technology makes it a standout piece that will captivate anyone who sees it. Transform your home with this ever-changing masterpiece and enjoy the endless possibilities it brings. And there you have it, folks. 7 futuristic gadgets that are guaranteed to upgrade your home and your life. From perfect beer to levitating globes and everything in between, these gadgets prove that the future is here, and it's awesome. If you enjoyed this tech journey, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let me know in the comments down below which gadget blew your mind the most. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.